Today's cooking tutorial is a very easy one-pan dinner, also called a sheet pan dinner or a tray bake dinner. It's a low-carb salmon and vegetable tray bake spiced up with harissa, a Moroccan chili paste, and it is excellent. So, I'm Dorothy. I do these cooking tutorials to help you get to permanent sustainable fat loss in the most tasteful way and tasty way that we possibly can. I also try to make it really easy. So, let's get cooking. Okay, the protein of choice today is salmon. For the veggies, I use tomatoes, fennel, radicchio, carrots, a red onion, and some garlic. The main thing to know about tray bakes is pairing the cook time of the veggies with the protein. Salmon only takes about 8 to 10 minutes to cook, so I'm going to slice the fennel really thin so that it will cook quickly. The carrots, the next one, is also firm, and I probably should have made these smaller. The alternative is you can cook the carrots a little bit ahead of time. But I'm going to run with it. Now the next up is the radicchio. Another mistake I made here. Radicchio is like a lettuce more than it is a cabbage, so it cooked very quickly. It got quite crisp. Which isn't a bad thing, but you probably wanted to put that in a little bit later. Onion, this is a red onion. I did that mostly for color. Roasting onions will bring out the sweetness, however, which no matter what color you use. So chop these up fairly coarsely, quarter them, toss them on the sheet pan, and let's make room for the salmon. Salmon is one of the most nutritionally packed things that you can eat, and fortunately it tastes really good. So nestle the salmon in between the veggies, and you want to do the skin side down. And now for the harissa spice, which is a Tunisian or Moroccan blend of chili peppers, caraway, coriander, and cumin, and it's delicious. And we're ready for the oven. Bake at 400 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Yum yum! Salmon is done, by the way, when it looks like this, light and flaky. And there you have it, an easy, tasty, low-carb salmon tray bake dinner. It doesn't get much better than that. So today I'm going to toast with my smoked cherry shrub syrup, which I usually have in an old-fashioned. But today I just added it with bubbly water as it's, I don't know, it's not even 5 o'clock yet. So, what should we toast to today? Let's toast to vegetables. This was a great way, our tray bake dinner is a great way to use up any vegetables you have in the house and enhance them so that they're roasted and good. So, here's to the roasted vegetable. Doesn't taste like a roasted vegetable, but it tastes awfully good. Cheers.